So, what's up guys? Before I show you guys this video, I want to apologize or give a disclaimer or whatever that I didn't know I was gonna upload this to YouTube, so I recorded it on my phone. And my phone is not the greatest. Talking about it's junk. Let me just show you guys. So this is my phone. I got a BlackBerry Bold. I'm still rocking. Look at this thing. And I recorded it on this little camera right here. I'm broke.
I can't eat. I'm broke, nigga. I'm broke.
Talking about I'm broke. I'm so broke, my phone bill is only $2 a month. And that's because Metro felt bad for me. They called me. Javon! Yes, mommy? So they called me and...
Come here!
I'm shooting a video!
Come here right now, ring the bell!
Coming! Guys, I'll be back. Just go ahead and start the video.
Guys, look what came in the mail for me, dude. Oh man, it's about to get real. It's about to get real. Hey baby, how you doing, baby? You guys, this is a big ass box. I don't know if I'm gonna get it fit in this car. Ooh, hey Mishimoto. These are some pipes. We got some couplers though. I don't know why they didn't just put these all together. But okay. Let's go. So we got the intercooler, the piping, some clamps, and the hoses. And the hose. So couplers, sorry. So let's go ahead and get this install going. Let's see what we got. So pretty. Let's get started. So to begin, we gotta pull off this thing right here from the old. Well, not the old, stock intercooler that's on the car right now. So, if I can get this junk off, here we go. Shoot. There we go. We don't need this no more. And now pick up this that goes towards the turbo. Ooh, that is hot. Oh yeah, the car is hot while I'm doing this. What the heck? This thing is hot. And that's off. All right, let's pull off the other side. I don't know what the heck this is. Why they didn't just put a regular screw or something. Let's get a smaller one. All right, guys, so I got that part of the hose off and that part. Just have to take that off. And yeah, and guys, don't worry. My power steering is leaking, so it's dripping my paint. Like, I didn't know that's how serious it was. Or that's how strong power steering fluid is. But I'm gonna put you guys down. Okay, so I don't know what to do from here. I guess we'll start by taking off the hose from this intercooler. Come here. Take off the hose from this stock intercooler. And yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, so they said that I'm supposed to keep the stock radiator here in this location because it also holds up my radiator. I do see what they're talking about, so let me see if there's some way to go around it. Into a problem. I skipped most of the install because this thing is a you know, I'm having some problems. All right, so I got all of it. I got everything hooked up already. I got everything ran. Don't mind this. One day I forgot to. It fell down there because I never put it back on correctly, and the O2 housing put a hole in the top of it. So I got to get a new cap for my fuse box. That's besides the point. Freaking Mishimoto made this coupler. They made this coupler so hard to get on. Like, they made it like the exact same size as this crap. Like, what? We're not going for nothing. So I'm gonna try warming it up, heating it up with a heat gun, and see if that fixes it. All right, guys, so got the heat gun. Let's see what we can do. Ooh, almost had it. No, I had it. Oh my gosh. You guys, the final freaking nut. Oh my goodness. No, I lost my 10. Let me show you.
It is finally freaking installed. Oh my gosh. Look at that thing. It's beautiful.
All right, guys. Let's start it up and see how it sounds. You guys, she sounds good. She sounds good. All right, so I guess time to clean up, put the front bumper back on, and then take it for a test drive. This thing is legit. Like, look at that. It sounds so good, and it definitely feels faster. Definitely feels faster. I got a surprise in store for you guys for what I'm going to install next, but just stay tuned and you'll see. All right, you guys, if you like that video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Show a brother some love. Thank you, and until next time. Yeah.